Tap the Sell button in the center of the bottom toolbar. The Upload Photos screen will appear. Tap Upload Photos and select the images from your camera roll, or take new photos directly. You can add up to 20 pictures per listing. For branded items, you need at least 3 photos to show authenticity. Add your photos in the right order. The cover photo should show the garment being worn so buyers can visualize the fit, then follow with close-ups and detail shots. Once your photos are uploaded, you'll see the title field. Enter a descriptive title here. Keep it clear and concise. Well-structured titles help your item show up in search results, since Vinted filters by keywords. Move down to the description field. Include the color, size, any defects or wear, and the overall condition. If there are any flaws, tears, stains, discoloration, mention them here and make sure they're visible in your photos. You can add a bit of personality to help build your brand. You'll see the category selection menu. Work through the subcategories and select the one that accurately describes your item. Now fill in the item details. Add the brand, size, condition, colors, and materials. Work through each option and be as accurate as possible. Enter the exact size printed on the label, choose the most precise colors available, and be honest about the condition. You can select up to 3 materials. If your item has more than 3, write the rest in the description. Enter the price you want to charge in the price field. If it's higher than the typical selling price for similar items, Vinted will give you guidance. Do your research on competitive pricing beforehand. Vinted charges $0 in seller fees, so you keep what you price. You'll see the parcel size selector. Choose the size accurately. Undersized packages can cause delivery issues. The buyer pays for shipping at checkout, which typically ranges from $3.99 to $12.99 or more depending on the size. Tap the Upload button at the bottom of the form. Your item will go through an automated check, which normally takes up to 1 minute, though occasionally it can take up to 3 or 4 days. Once it's live, consider listing regularly. Vinted automatically filters items by newest first, so posting often keeps you visible. You can also turn on bundle discounts to encourage buyers to purchase multiple pieces at once. Thanks for watching.